Not much has been happening today, so sorry the videos are a bit light on. I was meant to go to the office this morning, but all night and this morning it was like bad storms, thunderstorms, lots of lightning and thunder, so I made the call not to go in. It was meant to be really hot today, but it turned out not to be. Anyway, the sun did come out eventually, and now it's overcast again, would you believe? And I'm meant to be going in tomorrow now, so might have something of interest to show you then. I just wanted to show you something that I have kitted up recently. Now, just a notification here, the yarn and the pattern are no longer available. So I apologise in advance if you see this and you go, oh my god, I want it. I got this as a kit on sale at that yarn place out at Samford, and it was on their sale table and I couldn't leave it. So this bag, before I get started, was made a few years back by Hexy Knits, and it was in a bag swap, and it's this cute Christmassy fabric, and then this lovely lining with Christmas trees. It's a very long bag, so I've just rolled it up so I can put the stuff back in easy. Oh, and it's got snowflakey fabric on the bottom. So cute. So I'm just going to show you the yarn. So this is Cloud Forest yarns, and there's two 50, so 50 gram minis. The silver is called Quicksilver. It's a 4-ply. 50% silk, 50% merino. And this other one, which is red, is Valentino, and it's 100% extra fine Australian New Zealand merino spun in Italy, and it's 50 grams. So it's so soft. So this is Quicksilver, and this is Valentino. Isn't it gorgeous? What a rich, beautiful, warm red that is. So these two are what I'm going to make my everything in. I've got a, what is this? 3.5mm needle on a short cable. And this is the pattern by Cloud Forest Yarns, which sadly they don't dye anymore, and I cannot find their pattern on Ravelry anywhere. They have other patterns on Ravelry, but not this one. So this is the Mosaic Florentine cowl designed by Sean or Sian Price White of Cloud Forest Yarns, and I don't even know if their website works. So this is the gorgeous cowl. I just couldn't resist. Can you imagine it with the red and the white on the accent? Like the red in the where the green is on this one, and the white, the silver on the outer. It's gonna look so pretty, unless I get it wrong and it's round the other way. But either way, it's gonna look really cute. So a striking bold pattern. So this is what I've kitted up to do over the Christmas break, to start at least. And because it's mosaic knitting, it's a nice way to do colour work if you don't want to do colour work. So I just thought I would share this with you. Fingers crossed I don't do what I usually do and lose the pattern, but I did take some photographs of it, so I've got it on my phone just in case the worst should happen, because you wouldn't want to get halfway through and go, oh my god, I've lost the the pattern. So the pattern's quite straightforward, step-by-step instructions with some pattern notes, and that's it. It's basically 2 pages of pattern. So anyway, I just thought I'd share that with you. The yarn's lovely and soft, and really the colours are just divine. It's the whole bag. It's very cute. Hello there. This is the second time recording this. Let's see if we get it right this time. I've got to take Paris to the vet this afternoon, so if you see some footage, don't panic. She's okay. She's got a foot allergy. She's been obsessively licking her toes, or paw pads, and she's got like a sore between her paw pads, so that's not very fun. So I did put a foot wash on her the other day to see if that would help settle it down, because we've got a special shampoo that you put on for 10 minutes and take it off, and that's supposed to relieve the allergy. But anyway, so maybe the vet can give her a shot of steroid or antibiotic or something to sort that out for her and to ease the itching, because it's not very fun when you've got an allergy. So you might see that, and I've got to go to the supermarket as well, so I've got to do a trip to the supermarket, come back, because we're just going to have oven pizza tonight for dinner, and then I'll take her back to the vet this afternoon, and Wayne's going to mow the lawn just to try and, I mean, it's not long, but he's just going to mow it extra just to make sure that it's minimising what it annoys her. Anyway, I'll catch you all later.